Now, this will be the last installment of the drone updates from LaPosa South LTVA. As you can see, it's thinning out here pretty good. Weather's beautiful today. I've got full solar. My batteries were on float probably about 3 or 4 hours before sunset. So I was charging my e-bike and running my fridges and all that free solar energy out there. You can see pretty sparse out here now, and stuff kind of greened up a little bit too after the rain we had over the last week, the couple days of rain. You really see stuff starting to green up. But looking towards the front there, you can see not nearly as packed. You don't have those concentrated groups like you did before. A lot of those have pulled out. The meetups, Next Exit meetup, and one of the other meetups as well, they're gone. And after the RV and sports show, it starts to decline on the population. There is the powwow jump show going on right now, but I don't know, there's not a lot of activity down there. The traffic wasn't nearly as bad. I came through there today. I went up to Parker and was in town a little bit. Not bad at all. Not near the backups there were, last week. I mean, you can see pretty sparse. You see a few schoolies down there. They'll probably be pulling out on or before the 1st, because Schoolie Palooza will be going on in Ehrenberg. I'll be over there myself, kind of checking things out. I've got a couple rigs to do tours of, and some friends that are going to be there I'm going to meet up with and share a campfire with. And I'm sure I'll give you some updates from over there. Later on this week here, I'm going to head to meet Bob in Skadden Wash, and I will kind of let you know what it looks like over there. Heard today there's about 100 rigs over there already. It starts tomorrow. I'm probably going to camp out and probably run the e-bike in, so maybe I can give you some footage on the e-bike and what the territory looks like over there. Give you an idea. That's one BLM we haven't covered. But I appreciate each and every one of you watching all my updates, and I'm glad I could help you out, let you know, see what's going on, and people that couldn't make it this year, and maybe next year we can share a campfire. But, you can see, we'll wrap this up. You can watch me fly in here, and about time to land it here. But do you see Q Mountain off in the distance, the little one there, and showgrounds, all the white area over there, that's the tents and buildings. So I hope you all enjoy your day, and pretty good day to be a nomad, I'll tell you that. It's I'm enjoying my day here too, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.